Okay, now we can see how we can introduce a situation when there is not enough to take away. For example, and if it is of opposite signs, and let's take an example of positive 3 subtracted with negative 2, positive 3 minus, so this is the operation with negative 2. So these are of different signs, and there is not enough to take away in this situation. So I have positive 3 here, and I want to take away negative 2. Here we can pause and ask children, is it possible to take negative 2 out of positive 3, and are they of same kind? So obviously children will say no, and for that we can ask children of different questions to come up with an idea of how we could take away negative 2 out of this positive 3 with the previous, connecting with the previous activities that we have done. And don't give the answer by yourself, give some time for children, and so some of the children might remember the activity we have done before and come up with an example saying that we can add negative 2 with that, and also mention that this state should not be changed, and how can we remove negative 3 from positive 3 without removing any of this. So some of the children might come up with an example of we can add 2 pairs of negative and positive, like even if I add this, it won't change this because I can remove this as it is 0, so as we did in the previous activity. So I can just add this without altering the positive 3. So now you can ask children, will we be able to remove or take away negative 2 out of this? So we have negative 2, and when we take away negative 2, we are left with positive 5. So always have this practice of also writing it down so that it doesn't confuse children. So initially we had positive 3, and we wanted to remove negative 2. So that's positive 3 okay, so we have positive 3, and to subtract negative 2, we just added 2 pairs to remove negative 2. So let's just take the pair as it is, and so these 2 pairs are zeroed out, and we have so now when I remove negative 2 out of this, I will be left with positive 5.